Okay, children, now let's see how to find probabilities in case of deck of cards. So you have already seen the classification of cards. Now suppose if I shuffle all the cards and randomly if I pick one card, can anybody say that that will be surely a king or surely it will be a queen? No, nobody can say that because there are so many different cards. So excuse me. So there are different 52 cards here. Okay, how many cards do we have? Our total number of outcomes are 52. This will be 52. So only the numerator's value will change. Now let's see the first one. The first question is the probability if I shuffle all the cards, what is the probability of getting a face card? The other name is picture card. Face card, picture cards, both are same. So already I said you how many face cards do we have? Yeah, we have total 12 face cards. How many? 12, 3 in each. These are called face cards or picture cards also. Picture cards. So there are 12 face cards. So the probability will be 12 by 52. The probability of getting a picture card will be 12 by 52. That will be 1 by 4. Now let's see the next question. Queen of red suit. Now where is the red suit? This is the red suit. Okay. In the red suit, how many queens do we have? 1, 2. So the answer will be 2 by 52. The total number of outcomes are 52 only because we have all the deck of cards in our hand. Next, third question. Ace. What is ace? I already said you the first card is called ace. So here you can see excuse me, 4 ace, 1 ace in each group. So probability of getting an ace is 4 by 52. That is the 1 by 13 if you divide. Then number card. I already said you number cards. Ace is not a number card. So if you want to find number cards, you can clearly see here we should leave these cards ace and you should leave the picture cards. You can see from 2 to 10. 2 to 10, how many cards do we have? 9 cards. And how many categories? 4. So total number of cards will be 36. Total number of cards will be 36. So there are 36 number cards. So the probability is 36 by 52. If you simplify, you will get 9 by 13. Then next question. Card of red suit. How many cards do we have in red suit? You can clearly see here there are 26 cards in a red suit. So what will be our probability? 26 by 52. Got it, everyone? Now let's see the next face card of hearts or picture cards of hearts. So how many picture cards do we have in hearts? We have 3 in hearts. Okay, only 3 picture cards are there in hearts. So the probability of this is 3 by 52. Then probability of a red face card. Red face card. How many red we have? These all are red. Okay, which are red in color. So 3 in hearts and 3 in diamonds. So this 3, 3, 6. 6 red. We have 6 red face cards. So the answer is 6 by 52. The next question is queen of diamonds. Where are diamonds here? Yeah, this is diamond. So where is the queen of diamond? Yes, this is queen of diamond, and we have only one queen in diamonds. You know that there will be only one queen in each category. So answer is 1 by 52. Jack of hearts. How many jack in hearts? Only one jack in hearts. So it will be 1 by 52. Then the last one is spade. A card of spades. So what will be? How many spades do we have here? Yeah, we have total 13 cards in spades, so it will be 13 over 52. This will be our answer for spades. This is the way we can find the probabilities by using deck of cards. You can frame innumerable questions on this concept. You can get perfect in probability concept by using this concept. Thank you.